So she had twice as many dimes as nickels and 5 times as many quarters as nickels. So we think, let's try nickels as our base. So the number of nickels will be n. Then dimes, if she has twice as many dimes, so there's 2 times n dimes. Number of quarters, 5 times as many as nickels, so that would be 5n. And then the same number of pennies as dimes. So pennies should be the same as dimes, so it should also be 2n. That's a tricky one some people had trouble with. So when we write our equation, we'll say the pennies plus the dimes, but we'll, instead of putting D for dimes, we'll put 2n because there's twice as many dimes as nickels. Quarters, instead of writing Q, we're going to say there's 5 times as many quarters as nickels, and finally the same number of pennies as dimes. What does that equal? Altogether, that equals 40. So we put those together, and remember that means 1n. So 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So we have 10n equals 40. Divide by 10, n equals 4. Well, let's see if that's really true. So we put, wherever we found n, we put a 4. So 4 plus 2 times 4 plus 5 times 4 plus 2 times 4. Put a question mark, does that equal 40? So 4 plus 8 plus 20 plus 8, does that equal 40? Well, let's put together 8 and 8 are 16, so we have 4 plus 16 plus 20. Does that equal 40? 20 plus 20, does that equal 40? Yes, 20 and 20 is 40. That equals 40. And we do our happy dance.